Hey, it's Steph at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Restored Canvas Nourishing Duo. Reset, renew, and replenish the complexion with this full-size nourishing restorative mask and moisturizer duo. The ultimate skin pampering pairing. This kit features our best-selling restorative cream and mask to support skin barrier repair, deliver deep, lasting moisture, and protect skin from environmental stressors. Powered by ultra-nourishing squalane, black currant seed, and antioxidants, it's the perfect skin TLC duo for dry, dehydrated, or stressed skin. Apply restorative mask after cleansing, toning, and serum. Leave on for 10 minutes and then remove. Use restorative mask up to 3 times a week. Apply restorative cream after cleansing, toning, serum, and eye cream. Use up to twice daily. Perfect for gifting or self-gifting, this is the ultimate skincare experience for nourished, hydrated, and cushioned skin.